So hello guys, welcome to our channel. So if you are in a crypto space, then you should know the best wallet to receive airdrops and crypto payments. This video I'll show you the best crypto wallet you should know. I'll show you that how to set up and how to create your account in Tonkeeper wallet. So firstly, you need to go to the any browser. I'll personally use Chrome browser, so I'll go to Google, and then if you want to create your Tonkeeper wallet in your Android phone, so this video is for you. So firstly, you type Tonkeeper. So I'll type Tonkeeper, and then Tonkeeper wallet you can see, and then you can scroll down and you can see here's the link Tonkeeper wallet for Tone. So click on this link. You can see Tonkeeper live on crypto. So this is the best wallet if you in crypto space, and that is very popular crypto wallet right now. So here is the iOS link. If you are a Apple person, so you can click on this button. If you are an Android person for mobile phone, so you can directly download this wallet from Google Play Store or download APK file. So this is for Android users for mobile phone. So if you have a Windows laptop, so you can click on this Tonkeeper Pro button. So this is the Telegram link of Tonkeeper community. So this is looks like Tonkeeper interface. So you receive your payments, you pay your payments, and you swap your coins in Tonkeeper. I will show you in tutorial in this video. So you can see some screenshots I'll download for PC, so Tonkeeper Pro, and then you can see for Apple here is a link, for Windows here is a link. If you Linux, so this is for your link. Okay, so I'll download my file. So here is my file processing for downloading. It's approx 106 MBs file. So you can see the Tonkeeper wallet setup is running. For some time you can see Tonkeeper Pro, it's downloaded completely. So get start, click on the get start button, and you can see some options: new wallet, create new wallet, existing wallet, pair with Signer, pair with Keystone, and pair with Ledger. So if you are a new in Tonkeeper wallet, so you can easily create new wallet. But if you have Tonespace wallet in your Telegram wallet, so you can click on the existing wallet. So one of the best feature of Tonkeeper wallet is that they provides you to easily connect your Telegram Tonespace to the Tonkeeper wallet. Simply you can go to your Telegram wallet and click on the Tonespace recovery phase and copy that type of 24 keys, and then go to the Tonkeeper wallet and existing wallet, click on the existing wallet, and then you can paste your 24 keys, or you put your 24 keys manually. So and then after you completing your 24 keys, then click on the continue button. Your Tonespace wallet is imported in your Tonkeeper wallet. So it's damn easy. You can access your Tonespace wallet in your Tonkeeper. Firstly, I'll show you that how to create a new wallet. So firstly, click on the new wallet, and then you can see generating wallet. Okay, so your wallet is okay. Instruction is that grab a pen and a piece of paper. So why is this need? So we strongly recommended you write down the recovery phase, because it is the only way to have access to and recover your wallet in case of losing your device. Do not send it to yourself via email or take a screenshot. It's safer when kept offline. So you can write your recovery phase in your a piece of paper with your with a pen. Future, if you forget your keys, so then you can easily access again your wallet with your recovery phase. And it is very important for you, because if you lost it, so you can lost your total fund. Please do not share your recovery phase to anyone. Okay, so click on the continue button, and you can see on my screen that here are 24 recovery phase keys. I can blur because this is very sensitive thing. Okay, so click on the continue button and then type the exact key front of the number.
So on 6th number I will type my key, and then 12th number I can type the another key, and the last one is 22. It's okay. So
I'll type all the 3 keys and then click on the continue button. After you click on the continue button, you can see congratulations, your wallet has been created. So firstly, the main interface of the app is look like this. this is my wallet address. This is the same address you can see in Tone receive address. So click on the Tone coin and then click and then receive button. So this is your Tone deposit address, you can see here. So if you copy this address or you copy this address, all these addresses are exactly same. Learned the creating process of Tonkeeper. So I'll show you some more features of Tonkeeper. So second is how to send and receive crypto in Tonkeeper. So this is the send button. You can click on this button and then you can see if you withdraw your Tone coin from the Tonkeeper app. So you can put in the address and then comment, that is another name is memo or note. So you can type here and then click on the continue button. You can easily send your Tone coin the another wallet. So if you want to receive your crypto or Tone coin, so click on the receive button and then you can see your deposit address. So here is your deposit address. Copy that address and send where you want to deposit your Tone coin. And some another features is like swapping. So it is the best feature in this app. So click on the swap button and then you can see if you have one Tone coin, it's approx $7.68. So can receive approximately amount of USDT and another coin. If you want to convert to another coin, let's suppose I click on the note coin. So if I have one Tone coin, so I'll receive 515 note coin. So it is very easy, but I don't have enough fund, so I can't swapping. But if you have, so you can do. So second is history option. So you can see your all transaction here. These are some features you provide by Tonkeeper app. So remaining are if you add one more wallet or Tone space wallet, so you can easily click on the add wallet. So click on the add button, add wallet, and then if you have existing wallet, so you can click on the existing wallet. So it is really easy app to understand, and these all features available in your Android phone or Android version. So you can click on the setting button. You can see the backup keys. These 24 keys are very important, so you do not share anyone, and note down with offline a piece of paper with a pen. Okay, so guys, if you access your Tonkeeper Pro account, so you can click on the dashboard button and then you can see get more with Tonkeeper Pro, access advanced features and tools to boost your work. So you can click on this link about Tonkeeper Pro, so you can easily access your Pro version, so you can easily purchase the Pro version. So Pro version enables more features comparison to the normal Tonkeeper wallet. So, and that's it, that's the video. So if you still have any question or doubt regarding this video, so let me know in the comment section, and hope you like this video. If you learned something new from this video, then click on the like button and also subscribe for more videos like this. So thank you for watching this video. I'll meet you in the another one video. Bye.